In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discount an item on Vinted. We'll set up bundle discounts so shoppers automatically get a price reduction when they buy multiple items from your closet. This is one of the easiest ways to make your listings more attractive, increase cart size, and move inventory faster without changing every single price by hand. Start by heading to vinted.com in your browser. I'm using the website for this walkthrough because the layout is clear and consistent. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account credentials so you can access your seller settings. Once the site loads, look to the top right and click the profile icon. It typically looks like a small person's silhouette or your avatar. This opens your account menu where you can manage everything related to your profile and shop. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to your account and shop preferences. You'll find the tools that control how your listings behave and how buyers see your offers. Next, select Bundle Discounts. This is the feature that applies a percentage discount when someone adds multiple items from your closet to their bundle. Buyers love seeing the savings right away, and Vinted highlights these discounts on your listings and during checkout, which helps convert casual browsers into buyers. Toggle on Enable Bundle Discounts. When this is on, Vinted will automatically calculate the discounted price for any eligible bundle so you don't have to manually negotiate each time. Now choose the discount percentages for bundles of 2 items, 3 items, and funny items. These are tiered offers, so you can reward larger bundles with a bigger reduction. Think about your margins and typical order sizes as you set each percentage. For example, some sellers start modestly for 2 items and scale up for 3 and 5. Make sure the final prices still cover your costs, shipping considerations, and any fees. If you sell lower priced items, a smaller percentage can go a long way. If you sell higher priced pieces, you might offer a slightly deeper discount to encourage bundling. As you adjust the percentages, aim for numbers that feel like a real deal to buyers while staying sustainable for you. Your changes typically save within the settings, and you can revisit this panel anytime to tweak your strategy based on what's selling and how buyers respond. That's it. By enabling bundle discounts and setting thoughtful percentages for 2, 3, and 5 items, you've effectively discounted your items in a smart, automated way. This approach keeps your storefront consistent, speeds up sales, and reduces back and forth messaging. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Vinted.